How to subscribe Amazon Prime. If you're looking to subscribe Amazon Prime, well, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is go ahead and open any browser and type in amazon.in. So if you're not logged in, it'll ask you to log in, and go ahead and do that. Now, if you tap on the three bars on the top left corner, if you scroll down, you'll see at the program and features, it says Try Prime. So click on Try Prime. Now, be sure to select your delivery location right here. So according to the different options, there are different payment methods that you can pay. So you can select whichever is more beneficial to you. So if I select this one and press Join Prime, so next it will ask you to select a payment method. And there are multiple ways that you can pay. You can pay with your debit, your credit, or your ATM card, your net banking, or other UPI apps. And if I choose to pay with my debit, credit, or ATM card, then you just have to enter your card number, and then it will use your card to pay for this Amazon Prime. So that is how you can subscribe to Amazon Prime.